Let's fill out the Georgia Boat Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Welcome to this quick guide on boat bill of sale requirements. In this state, a bill of sale serves as proof of vessel ownership. You can use either a standard bill of sale or a dealer's invoice if you purchased from a dealer. Both are accepted as valid documentation. Now, based on the verified requirements, the facts provided do not specify who must sign the document, whether notarization is needed, whether a title is required, whether odometer information applies, or what price documentation is needed. So we won't make any assumptions about those details. What we do know is simple. You need some form of proof that you own the vessel, and a bill of sale or dealer's invoice will do the job. Keep your documentation organized and accessible, as you may need it when registering your boat. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.